This is the station chapel of Guiamon. You can see the roof partially damaged by the typhoon. And this is Susana, the assistant of Pastor Josephine Pajarito. As Pastor Josephine is right now in Manila attending to the needs of her daughter, and she's coming back in the next couple of weeks. May hamba ka na?
Hambal. Try lang.
Kumusta ka mo dyan?
Okay. Salamat mo ako kasi bigyan nga barangay ay sana ang ginuugin mo sa wag na kanay sa ministry kaya sa may barangay sa ginapasalamatan mo kamo man nga nag-agturigya.
I thank God for giving me a chance to serve Him in this barangay of Guiamon. And I also thank all of you that have given us support and have helped us one way or the other to make this ministry possible. And we thank the brethren for helping us, especially with all the support that you've given us for the ministry here. Thank you very much. Okay.
Kananay bibungbukan? Aw. Kananay. Oh, unam. Oh, namit.
The parsonage's roof has also been blown away by the typhoon. So they need to repair the thing after Pastor Josephine returns. These are the grass leaves that are used to make thatched roofings. Oops, we did it again.